What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am so excited today. It is paint day. It's finally the day that Supra gets painted. I've literally wanted this car to be this color forever. I've always wanted a Supra and I've always wanted it this color. So for this to actually be reality, it spins me out something chronic. Oh my God, I am so excited. So the car's actually in the booth currently. Car's in one booth and the parts are in the other booth, ready to go. We're just going to do some finalizing works today and then we're going to be painting. So guys, sit back, relax and enjoy this black and white painting video.
Just drinking themselves crazy tonight. Maybe I should call and say, told you I'd be right. Wondering how long it was before you realized the biggest mistake of your life, and now you're paying the price. Oh, is it confidence or confusion? Either way, I feel like I ain't never losing. Your opinion of mine, you know just what I'm choosing. I gotta do this, cause I can't fall asleep at night without seeing my dreams. Delusion and reality, I'm somewhere in between. These voices in my head get loud and they keep telling me that I'm a fool for trusting in these wings. But maybe, baby, this what flying feels like. Maybe, baby, this what flying feels like.
Told my girl to pipe down, need it right now. Lately I've been going till the lights out. Got my face up and my eyes down. Shawty, now you know what this is like now. Now I got a big drop top and I'm rolling. And I told my girl I'ma be up till the morning. Feeling like I'm 2-3 cause you know I'm zoning. Shawty got a wave, we been chilling by the ocean. Now I got a big drop top and I'm rolling. And I told my girl I'ma be up till the morning. Feeling like I'm 2-3 cause you know I'm zoning.